Good day, everyone. Today I will be speaking about the Taotronics model number TT-IC001 nugget ice maker. First off, why would someone purchase a nugget ice maker? Simply put, the ice is like Sonic ice. If you don't live close to a Sonic restaurant, well, you need to. You need to try out a drink from Sonic and know what perfection ice tastes like. It's crunchy and easy to bite through. Okay, some brief items about this ice maker. When the ice is full, it breaks the I-beam, which identifies it full. In the bottom corner down here is a screen filter. About every 4 to 6 months you want to pop that out, and with a toothbrush under hot water clean off the screen. Back over here in this corner on the bottom is the water sensor that tells you if the water is too low. This light will light up. Otherwise, you have your on and off switch and your clean function. The clean function, only thing that clean function does is it will do a cycle of the water and also do a little bit of backwashing. They tell you to empty the water out through the back tubes, which are these, and that is a good idea to do, especially if you're running this ice maker on a daily continuous basis. Okay, let's see if we can speak to this ice maker a little bit while it's not running. This is the standard motor. Has an upper fan. To the rear of the ice maker is the rear fan. That's the main fan that will pull air through the coils to cool while it's in cycle. This right here is your pump. You can hear it running when it's pushing water. This is your upper tube that leads to the upper compartment that holds a certain amount of water. And those are the basic items that we have for this unit. This is a very similar unit to the Opal GE ice maker. All of the components are the same. There's probably about 4 or 5 manufacturers in the world, probably most of them over in China, that produce and then they sell these things here in the US. Most of the US are the ice consuming folks in the world. If you go to South America, Europe, other places, they don't necessarily like that much ice. Okay, the main problem that I experienced was that I purchased this unit off of Amazon through a sub-seller called Taotronics. And it cost me about $370. And after approximately 7 months, it started to make an extremely high screeching noise. discovered the noise was coming from where it was trying to push up the ice through the top unit, right up in here. And up in there you can see, the video can show it to you, a mushroom head metallic type of structure. Basically, there are 6 tubes, cylinder tubes, that run from bottom to top up to the mushroom cylinder head, and as the ice gets pushed up, it automatically breaks off into small chunks. As it accumulates, it gets forced out into the bucket area. The screeching noise started to take place about 2 weeks ago. And since I had purchased from Amazon, I contacted both Amazon and of course Taotronics, the actual manufacturer. They denied warranty on this unit. They left me high and dry. So I had to take action, and I'm hoping this video will help someone else. I learned that the reason why the unit was making a high screeching sound, and I will also hopefully include a URL link in the descriptions below to a different YouTube video, but I will also hopefully crop in a video that I did record with a high sounding sound. The reason why it happens is because the ice comes up as a very hard ice. And the solution is to fill the water level up 2 cups shy of maximum fill level, and then add in 2 hot cups from your sink water. Okay, so turn on your sink, warm up water as hot as it can get, take 2 cups, pour it into the top, and then hit the start button, and that will prime the unit for the day and allow you to have ice on a continuous basis on the day. I would recommend that you turn this unit off when not in use. So every early evening, when you know you have enough ice to make it through, make sure you turn it off and let it sit for the night. Otherwise, what happens is the ice all melts down. It re-triggers the sensor, turns the unit back on, and it continues to make ice overnight. It's kind of loud, noisy, fans and the water pump running and so forth. You want to have this ice maker typically in your kitchen or other places that you can handle the noise. Otherwise, it's very annoying. That's it for this video. Hopefully you've learned how to solve your high screeching noise and the hard ice that might be coming up those cylinders. You want a softer ice that comes out into what we call nugget ice, and then this unit should last a lot longer. So I'm hoping that this will last me for another year or more. That's it. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.